LMIAs have not only become big part of hiring foreign nationals for economic stability of the business, for employees, that is the foreign skilled workers, it has become a big opportunity to become permanent residents in Canada. Hi, my name is Neerja Bhandari and thank you for joining us today again. Today we are going to talk about LMIA. LMIA is short form for Labour Market Impact Assessment. So this is a program where it helps the Canadian employers to hire foreign nationals to work for them if there is labour shortage and skill shortage as per their work demands. LMI is a process which is done through Service Canada to show that Canadians were not shortchanged to hire a foreign national. There were no Canadians available to do that job. Only then it can be offered to a foreign national to make sure that the Canadians are not left out if there was an employment opportunity for them. Employers do LMIA applications to cover the labour shortage in their workplaces. They do it to maintain the stability in business. They do it to make sure that there's economic benefit to the business and the foreign national brings the international skills to Canada and enhance the existing business. If we see it from the employer's perspective, employers are basically looking for stability in business. So if they have a current worker who's getting maybe paid a little higher by another business, a competitor, the employer might lose the employee to the competitor and then start looking for an employee all over again. So they're looking for stability in their business, which sometimes foreign nationals provide by staying in the business and working for the employer for at least 2 to 3 years. And if it is supported by permanent residency, it can last up to 4 to 5 years. And maybe longer if the employer and employee relationship is good. So over the years, LMIA process has become more popular with the employees and I would say foreign nationals because it not only gives them opportunity to work. Foreign nationals could be the international students in Canada who are finishing their work permits but still do not have opportunity to become permanent residents. So they might be looking for employers who will give them full-time employment and also support their permanent residency. Then there are people who come to Canada as work permit holders and they're also looking for becoming permanent residents, and that's where employers support them to become permanent residents. It brings stability to work and helps in employee retention also. LMIAs work a lot in favor of foreign nationals who are not living in Canada and they're abroad. If they're identified by the employer in Canada as somebody who will bring promise and skills to the existing workforce they have and also transfer those skills to the existing staff. So it works both ways, that the employer retains an employee and the employee in turn has an opportunity to become a permanent resident. As we in Express Entry profiles that having a permanent job offer from an employer in Canada gives you 50 points. And if it is a job in an executive position, it can give you up to 200 points. And if an employer supports you from a province and you are on an LMIA-based work permit, it still can give you up to 600 points if you get provincial nominee support in that application also. So LMIA is the initial process for any foreign national to be hired by a Canadian employee. LMIAs can be done for any profession, any kind of skills that are required by the employers in Canada, but we see the trends that most of it is required in the IT field. It is required for system analysts, the ones who create web developers. We see a lot of construction workers, we see cooks, chefs. So we see a lot of trade skills which are in demand in Canada, and employers are always looking for those kind of skills from foreign nationals. So that's what most LMIAs work for. trends for today that we see is that LMIAs have not only become big part of hiring foreign nationals for economic stability of the business, for employees, that is the foreign skilled workers, it has become a big opportunity to become permanent residents in Canada, because not only it offers you full-time employment, it also offers you permanent residency in Canada. And accordingly, we are seeing a lot of foreign nationals are always trying to seek and find employers in Canada, and it is actually enhancing a lot of opportunities for employers also, because they have a vast variety of foreign nationals to select from if they cannot find the skills in the Canadians as of existing employees they have, or after making the recruiting efforts. So feel free to contact us anytime you want, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.